guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail display name, your sender name in your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head on over to my emails. Now once I'm inside my Gmail, we want to click onto the little gear icon for settings, and then under quick settings we need to click onto see all settings. Now inside settings inside Gmail. Now from here navigate to accounts and import. It's the fourth tab under settings. Now if we scroll down a touch, we've got an option here that says send mail as, and at the moment it says tutorial wiz. So to change this, we need to click on the edit info. It's on the right hand side where your email and name is. So go ahead and click on edit info. A little box will appear like this. Now from here we've got our your name and Google accounts. If you want to set a new name, click there where the blank box is and then type in your new name and then go ahead and click on save changes.